inappropriate.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
You get the picture?
Addie, cooking.
Hey! You watching Kaya?
Hi. Cooking with Ryan.
Why are you saying it like that?
Cooking with Kayla. Cooking with Kayla. Andrea.
Cooking with Kaya, bro. Whoa, why? Why? Oh.
Hey, Kaya.
What are you people talking about?
Daddy said Kaya cooks better than you.
Everybody's doing it. Cooking with Kaya. Hey.
Because it seems like.
Cooking with Kaya.
No. First of all,
Cooking with
Hunter.
Hannah.
Hunter.
Cooking with